This is Travis from Combustion Motorsports. I'm here to showcase what it takes to build a $120,000 side-by-side.
Diamonds on my wrist, diamonds on my wrist, diamonds on my wrist. Looking fly when I'm on the scene. Diamonds on my wrist, diamonds on my wrist, diamonds on my wrist. When I step up on a
Okay, one of the most important accessories we like here is a cage. This car is equipped with an SDR Motorsports fastback shorty cage. The options that you see that it has is their windshield option and a light bar pocket option. The SDR Motorsports hybrid doors, their intake vents on the back. On the back of it, we got their vented bed cover, their exhaust cover. Inside of the vented bed cover, we've got their storage bag and cooler. Up front, we've got their winch bumper and grill kit. Second up, from Heretic Studios and the lighting, we've got their 30-inch LED light bar on the roof, a 6-inch LED light bar on the bumper, a pair of their BA2 LED light bar pods for the pillars, and a pair of their LED Quattros for the backup lights. From 5150 Whips, we've got a dome light and a pair of their Hyper White 4-foot LED whips. On the suspension from HCR Racing, we've got their Pro R Race Series suspension kit. For the springs, we're rocking the Zebros Stage 1 spring kit, as well as their gusset plate for the back, their sway bar links, and their radius rods. From Assault Industries, we've got the Nighthawk LED side mirrors, the convex center mirror, a fire extinguisher kit, and in the back, we got their on-the-go tool kit equipped with us at all times. Also, for a jack system, we're rocking the Jack Daddy with custom mounts for this HCR kit. This machine is street legal, equipped with the Ryco Motorsports fully integrated turn signal kit. Inside the machine, we are equipped with the Viper Machine Pro R Ultimate gated shift system. Also inside, we are equipped with the Forworks carbon fiber dash trim kit with their Ride Command surround, and also on the outside, their badass carbon fiber hood. Inside, we are also rocking the Memphis Audio 5-speaker 800-watt sound system fully integrated in the Ride Command. Also inside, a custom set of TRP XCR seats along with their 5.3 digital camo harnesses. Underneath, equipped with a trail armor, full from front to back UHMW skid plate with sliders on it. Up front, we got a 4,500-pound Super ATV winch, as well as Super ATV with their Pro Inner fender guards. For the wiring, to fully integrate in a cleaner solution, we're using the XTC power control system with a 6-circuit integration. On the back, we're rocking the Evolution Power Sports Magnum dual exhaust. It's their XR series, as well as their header system. Vehicle is also tuned with their Stage 2 Power Performance package. Around the back of the vehicle, we've got the Force Turbo's intake tube, as well as their pre-airbox and post-airbox intake tubes. All the powder coating you see on this has been done by Armor Coatings using the prismatic anodized red powder coating along with some gloss black accents. The wrap that you see is a custom designed one-off metallic wrap courtesy of our friends over at Envision. For the dirt side of the wheels, we're rocking the KMC Grenade beadlock wheel with a set of 37-inch EFX Moto Rally tires. For the sand dunes, we're rocking the Packard Performance Impact wheels along with their 33-inch Sandlight tires comp cut. On the inside, we got fully custom rocker switches from our friends over at Mod Quad. And also to top it off, we've got hundreds of hours into this vehicle, pretty much tearing it down to a shell and putting it back together. Last but not least, the value of this is a Pro R 4-seat premium, valued around about $45,000. All these parts you see are available at Combustion Motorsports or online at combustionmotorsports.com. If you have any interest in building a machine of this caliber, give us a call or come on down the store. We'll walk you through the process to build your dream ride.